Welcome back, children. Today we will continue with the same chapter, but I will give you the new topic, that is finding the lowest term of a fraction. How can we find the lowest term of one fraction? I will show you. And finding the lowest term of a fraction. A fraction is in the lowest term when only the common factor between the numerator and the denominator is 1. Then we can say that fraction is in the lowest term. One condition is there, only common factor between the numerator and denominator is 1. We can say that the fraction is in the lowest term. Okay, and one more is there. How can we reduce it into lowest term? We can also reduce a given fraction into the lowest term, finding the HCF, highest common factor, that you have studied in the last chapter, right? Factors and multiples chapter, right? Okay, and for finding the HCF, you know how to do that, right? Okay, that you have studied in the last chapter. Then you will do one thing, whenever you are getting the fraction, we need to make it in the lowest term, right? How can we do it like that? How can we do it in the lowest term? How can we make it in the lowest term? We need to do one thing. First we need to find the HCF of numerator and denominator. What is the HCF of numerator and denominator? Here we need to find the HCF of numerator and denominator. For 2, we know only 2 factors, that is 2 and 1. And for 6, what are the factors? 2 and 3. Is it? And how can we write? For 2, we can write 2 here, and the next 6 is 2 into 3. Here common factor is what? For both. Which one is the common factor? Highest common factor, that is 2. Here HCF equals 2. Okay, so we need to divide the numerator and denominator by HCF. 6 by HCF. You will get what? 2 by 2 and 6 by 2. Answer is what? 1 by 3. 1 by 3 is the lowest term. Lowest term of which fraction? 2 by 6. Is it clear, children? Okay, I'll give you the next. That is 4 by 8. What is the lowest term of 4 by 8? Here we need to find the HCF of 4 and 8. 4 is 2 into 2 and 8 equals 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, and here the common factors are 2 into 2. Highest common factor is what? HCF is what? How can we find the HCF? The common in both only we can take it as HCF. Here HCF is 2 into 2, that is 4. HCF is 4. After that we need to divide the numerator and denominator by 4. HCF, you will get what? Lowest term. 1 by 2, that is the lowest term. Lowest term of the fraction. Okay, is it clear? Then the next one is 6 by 8. Okay, next one is 6 by 8. And 6 is the factors or prime factorization of 6 is what? 2 into 3. And 8 equals what? 2 into 2 into 2. And here HCF is what? Common in both 2 only. Okay, so HCF is what? 2. Okay, and so for 6 by 8 we need to divide by HCF, that is 8 by 2, that is 3 by 4. 3 by 4 is the lowest term. Lowest term. See the children, I told you one thing in the beginning, right? And there is only one common factor between the numerator and denominator, that is 1. See 3 and 4. Which one is the common factor here? 1 is the only one common factor for both 3 and 4. There is no other common factors. then we can say this fraction is in the lowest term. For finding the lowest term, what we want to do? We need to find the HCF. After that, we need to divide the numerator and denominator by HCF. You will get the lowest term. After getting the lowest term, we can check. How can we check? You need to check numerator and denominator. After getting the lowest term, there is only one common factor, that is 1. There is no other common factor between numerator and denominator. Okay, children? See, 6 by 9. Next one is 6 by 9. For 6, 2 into 3. And 9, 3 into 3. And the common factor, HCF is what? Highest common factor is 3 only here. So, HCF is 3. Okay. And after that, we need to divide numerator and denominator. 6 by 3. And 9 by 3. That is 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is the lowest term. Lowest term. Okay. See, the only common factor between numerator and denominator is 1. So, we can say it is in the lowest term. And next one is 12. I will show you. 12 equals 2 into 2 into 3. Okay. And for 18, that is 2 into 3 into 3. Okay. And the common factors are 2 and 3 also. So, HCF is what? Highest common factor is 2 into 3, that is 6. After that, I need to divide the numerator and denominator by HCF 6. 18 by 6. You will get what? 2 by 3. That is the lowest term. Lowest term. Okay. And the next is your homework. You need to find the HCF of numerator and denominator. After that, you need to divide the numerator and denominator by HCF. You will get the answer. That is your homework. And one more homework, that is 7 by 35. Okay. Okay, children. Thank you.